last year, Oregon Food Bank and our network of regional food banks saw about 2.5 million visits to our food assistance sites throughout Oregon, right? 2.5 million visits to food pantries, to free food markets, to anywhere where we are distributing free food for individuals. When you compare that year over year, that's a 31% increase from the prior year. A 31% increase. This is a record number of visits for us. Our network, right, we were hard at work. We were sourcing and distributing over 91 million meals. That's about 110 million pounds of food. That's a lot of food. And it was still not enough. Our food pantries, our regional food banks, even since last year have been telling us that food is flying off their shelves and that they're needing to ration and make choices. So that started last year due to inflation, rising costs of food, rising costs of rent. And today there's about 1 in 8 people and 1 in 6 kids in Oregon and Southwest Washington that face food insecurity. And that's across the state, from Ontario, Oregon, to Portland, to Klamath Falls. So this means that so many of our Oregonian neighbors and their kids don't know where their next meal will come from. You know, that was the state of hunger before we saw the federal funding freezes and now the various changes we are seeing at the federal level. So we anticipate that the state of hunger in Oregon will get worse.